Okay, so in this video we're going to take a look at getting set up with Python and installing it on a Windows machine. So the first thing you need to do is install Portable Python. You can just Google it or go to portablepython.com. We're going to download the exe, which is a kind of an installer, and I'm not going to download it from this link, these links here on the side, because I'm finding the one link isn't working, so I'll go to the other download locations. But you can try the link here. The version we're currently using, and this is important to make sure you have the right version, is Python 2.6. So this number here, 2.6. So let me go to the other download location, Python 2.6. And then down here under these HTTP links, I can choose any of those. And if I were to choose this one, I could download it from there, and then it would save to my desktop, ask me where to save it, or it would go to my download folder, depending on which browser you're using. So I've downloaded the file already, and here it is on my desktop, Portable Python 2.6, and I'm just going to double click it to run it, and it's going to walk me through the installation. So I'm just going to ask that it installs to my desktop. So I'm going to browse to my desktop like that, click on desktop, say OK, and then install. So all it's really doing here is kind of unstuffing the single file into a folder which will contain many files, and will include a couple of files that will use that you'll actually click on to run to use Python. While that's finishing, I can mention a couple things about how you can make use of Portable Python. You can just leave it on your desktop. If that's where you chose to install it, you can just leave it on your desktop and run it from there. If you want to move it somewhere else, then you can, once this installer is finished, you can just move this folder to wherever else you need it. And you can even run it off of a USB drive, which you could move back and forth between your computer at home and your computer at school. Okay, so now you can see that it was finished and gives me this window. I'll just click on finish. You can see I still have the installer on my desktop, and I now have this new folder called Portable Python 1.1 Py 2.61. I'll open this up, and you can see a number of applications within it, and then this folder app, which really contains all of the main kind of guts, I guess you could say, of Python. So in the next video we'll take a look at how we're going to make use of Python.